questions of employability skills. So let's begin. Here we are having first question. A person who is associated with the starting of business is called an entrepreneur. Next question. As compared to small scale business, large scale business require more number of persons. Next, entrepreneurship is also termed as self-employment. The right one. Next, for medium manufacturing enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery is between 5 crores to 10 crores. Coming to next, in SWOT analysis, S stands for strength. Next, in an economic growth, role of entrepreneur is improve per capita income. Next, in SWOT analysis, which pair is helpful? Right is strengths and opportunities. Next, money invested in purchasing of raw materials, payment of wages and salaries, rental, electricity, etc. comes under working capital. Next one, MSME stands for micro, small and medium enterprises. Next, paid form of ideas, goods and services are called advertisement. Next, the enterprises engaged in the production of goods is known as manufacturing enterprise. Next, the expansion of GDP is gross domestic product. Next, the expansion of SIDO is Small Industries Development Organization. Next, what approach is used to gain access to foreign markets and quickly promote an organization's interest? It's joint venture. Next, which investment is considered for deciding the status of manufacturing enterprises? It's plant and machinery. Next, which one is a correct channel through which marketers can reach customers? It's C, manufacturer, then retailer, followed by customer. Next, which one is a web-based accounting software designed for modern business? It's Tally. Next, during using ATM, authentication is provided by customer by entering PIN. Next, expansion of ATM is automated teller machine. Next, low productivity will lead to decrease in GDP per capita. Next, production is defined as a ratio of output by input. Next, productivity is defined as the ratio of output by input. Next, the expansion of ATM is automated teller machine. Next, the process used by a business to verify the identity of their client is KYC. Next, what is the advantage of automation? It's reduced operation time. Next, what is the unemployment rate? If there are 125 million people in the labor force, 100 million people employed and 25 million are not. It's 20%. Which market determines the real wages? Which market determines the real wages and employment? It's labor market. Next, which one is used to measure the economic performance of a whole country or region? It's GDP. Next, which Which one of the following is not a category of pure risk? It's technology risk. Next, which one of the following is not an objective of incentive? It's high cost of production. Next, which one of these documents is not acceptable for fulfillment of KYC norms? It's income certificate. Next, which stage is a period of rapid revenue growth? It's growth stage. Next, we'll discuss some of the questions on occupational safety. Let's begin. ABC of first aid stands for airway, breathing and circulation. Next, at what decibel sound becomes hazardous noise pollution? It's above 80. Next, earthquake is measured with an instrument called seismograph. Next, head production is done through helmet. Next, in firefighting method, starvation is elimination of fuel. Next, on the job, injuries and illness cost money, time and effort. What is the most practical way to manage these losses? It's effective safety and loss control program. Next, ozone layer is made up of 3 oxygen atoms. Next, the reprocessing of discarded materials into new useful products is called recycling of material. Next, the study of living things in relation to their environment is called ecology. Next, the 3 R's to save environment are reduce, recycle and reuse. Next, vibration and radiation comes under physical hazards. Next, which one is a man-induced hazard? It's landslide. Next, which one is a non-renewable energy resource? It's coal. Let's continue with some more questions on occupational safety. Which one is an unsafe condition for work? It's cauliflower. Next, which one is an unsafe condition for work? It's good light. Next, which one is the main greenhouse gas responsible for global warming? It's carbon dioxide. Next, which one of the following is not an ergonomic hazard? It's emotional disturbances. Which one of the following is not part of 3 R's? It's regenerate. Let's continue with some more questions on labor welfare legislation. Taking the first as per Factories Act 1948, canteen should be provided in the factory if workers are more than 250. Next, under Factories Act, the restriction on working time of women is before 6 a.m. and beyond 7 p.m. Next, under Factories Act, the workers' weekly hours should not exceed more than 48 hours. Next, what is the expansion of ILO? It's International Labour Organization. Next, what is the minimum percentage of employees' contribution from the basic salary as per EPF Act 1962? It's 12%. Which amount does include in wages amount as per Payment Wages Act? It's dearness allowance. Which factor is not concerned with occupational health and safety? It's salary. Next, which one of the following is in air polluted? It's carbon monoxide. Next, which scheme of act provides health insurance requirements of workers? It's Employees State Insurance Act. Let's continue with some questions on quality tools, which are as follows. First one, fishbone chart is also called as cause and effect diagram. Next, in PDCA, cycle P stands for plan. Next, expansion of QMS is quality management system. Next, the PDCA means plan, do, check, act. Next, total number of popular quality tools are 7. What does SERI stand for? It's sorting out. Next, what is the function of histogram in quality tools? It's indicates shape of distribution. Next, what is the last step in ISO 9001 registration? It's certification and audit. Next, what is the name used for word waste? It's MUDA. Next, which formula is used to quantify the quality? It's Q is equal to P by Q. Which one is not a basic tool used in quality circle? It's torque wrench, because some other tools used are histogram, Parto chart, and check sheet. So let's continue. Next one is, which one is not the certified ISO standard? It's ISO 9010. Coming to the next, which is, which one of the following is not the characteristic of quality? It's quality of non-conformance. Next, which statement of quality was stated by quality guru Dr. J.M. Juran? It's quality is fitness for use. Thank you for watching. To subscribe.